About this item, 2-in-1 adapter splits your USB-C port into a PD-compatible USB-C port and a 3.5mm audio jack, allowing you to listen to music, play games, calling or watch videos while fast charging your device. And support wire control function as well. Note: does not support data transfer. Hi-fi sound quality. This USB-C to 3.5mm jack support both CTIA and OMTP. 3.5mm headphone jack for most Type-C device like MacBook. DAC chip 24-bit 96 kHz stereo quality, so you can enjoy music anytime anywhere. It would be great for holiday or travel. It also a great back-to-school gift. Hi-fi sound quality. This USB-C to auxiliary adapter compatible with up to 32-bit and 384 kHz, while others are 24-bit and 96 kHz. You can get higher quality sound from it. Wide compatibility. Wider compatibility than others. Type-C to 3.5mm adapters, compatible with most of the Type-C phones: Pixel 5432 XL, Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, S21 Ultra 5G, S20 FE Ultra, S20 Z Flip, S20 Plus, S10, S9, S8 Plus, the new Note 20/Ultra 5G, F52 5G, A51 5G, A52 5G, Note 10, 10 Plus 9/8, Pad Pro Huawei Mate 30 2010 Pro, P40 P30 P20, OnePlus 6.